As a YouTuber, you spend countless hours producing great content. Your success is dependent on generating enough subscribers and views for your work. Once you have met the minimum engagement requirements, including watch hours, you must continue to create content and promote it, to benefit from YouTube's partner program, and in doing so, share in ad revenue. To monetize content, creators often turn to crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. These platforms provide creators with a mechanism to connect with their audience and receive ongoing financial support or patronage for their work. In the case of Patreon, this includes selling premium memberships and sharing in membership proceeds. But what if you could earn an equal or greater amount of revenue without having to sell hundreds of memberships? What if you could earn cash rewards when your followers sign up free of charge to access your free or premium content, as well as your special offer announcements? What if you could collaborate with other creators to produce great content and make money in the process? This is the power of social rewards technology. It allows you to earn lifetime, residual income without having to rely on your fans. They don't have to constantly dig deep into their pockets to finance your career. And when combined with artificial intelligence technology, it makes your job as a creator much easier. But before we tackle the benefits of social rewards, let's spend a little bit of time on the utility of artificial intelligence technology. First of all, AI can streamline various aspects of content creation, saving you time and effort. With AI-powered tools, you can automate repetitive tasks like video editing, transcribing, and captioning. This not only increases your productivity but it also enhances the overall quality of your content. AI algorithms can analyze audience preferences, trends, and engagement patterns to provide valuable insights on what type of content resonates best with your viewers. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and create content that has a higher chance of success. Once created, AI can assist in optimizing your content for search engines and discoverability. It can suggest relevant keywords, tags, and titles based on the content of your videos, helping you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of getting discovered. As discussed, platforms like Patreon provide creators with a mechanism to connect with their audience and receive ongoing financial support. By offering premium memberships and sharing in the proceeds, creators can monetize their content effectively. However, social rewards technology takes it a step further, while ensuring successful outcomes. Imagine earning revenue without solely relying on selling hundreds of memberships. With social rewards technology, you can earn cash rewards when users sign up for free to participate in an online event, access your premium content, special offer announcements, apply to gigs, or even connect with you through chat. This creates a mutually beneficial relationship where your audience can support you financially, without being forced to purchase memberships, while enjoying exclusive perks. This is achieved because the hosting platform is responsible for compensating you, not your fans. For example, let's assume you have 100,000 followers, and 1% respond to a free giveaway offer. With social rewards technology, you will earn $1,000 in cash rewards when your fans register to participate in your YouTube or Facebook Live. Furthermore, if your fans assist you in promoting your offers, they also financially benefit from their activities. When AI and social rewards technology are combined, it becomes a powerful toolset that makes your job as a content creator much easier. AI can assist in content creation, optimization, and audience analysis, while social rewards technology helps you monetize your content quickly, in innovative ways beyond traditional membership sales. Together, they streamline your workflow, enhance your revenue potential, and provide you with the tools to thrive in the competitive digital landscape. That wraps up our exciting update on AI, social rewards, and content monetization. Don't forget to subscribe to our AI tools and news channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Finally, if you know someone who can benefit from reading this content and the free AI tools listing, please sign up and share. We will pay you $1 for each recommendation plus share $10 to $90 for each membership upgrade. Thank you for watching.